Oh yeah! I like how I only killed 22.
The tank.
Loading Hard Rain 4. Return to town. We're almost there, you guys. Holy shit. Yeah, Tank Slayer!
I didn't do anything to the anything.
You were too busy pooping yourself. Yeah, see, now I'm bringing the hurt because I lost those gay-ass pistols that didn't do a fucking thing. Aw, poor Rochelle. I have an idea, Rochelle. Hey, look, she has more health now.
You are an ugly motherfucker.
You're an ugly
Just wants a
motherfucker.
handshake. Wants to meet you.
They keep jumping your shit, and you keep going down. One more time, and that's it.
Oh, yeah?
Now she'll have more health.
Exactly. See, I think sometimes I kind of just wanted to shoot her though.
I don't know.
In my defense,
Bullet wounds.
I was helping her because I just wanted to shoot her.
Sounds good. Sounds well. Get higher ground.
Okay.
Whoa, Nick! Is that your professional opinion?
There's a reason they call him Dick.
Stick it up your ass.
More frank, command.
I feel like I should be shooting when I do that because it sounds like Misfortune's Ultimate.
Here's that foresight we passed on the way in.
Oh! Of course he had to like brush past you to get to me, right?
Mm-hmm.
Take that, you mealy mouth bastard.
That hunter really hates Slayer.
Oh shit! Watch out!
That's a joke you wouldn't get because you don't have the Slayer Shirt Ellis mod.
Screw this.
I don't have any mods because when I tried to install them, they fucked up the game.
That's true. Oh my god, tank around the corner!
See you guys.
Oh Jesus! Oh my god! Why me? Why the fat man?
Cause he's fat and he has more nutrients.
But he wasn't eating me, he was just punching my face.
He'll eat you after.
Alright. Good.
Ooh, AK.
I have neither pills nor health packs. I could really appreciate some goodwill here.
Come here.
I'm over here.
Black people.
No,
like
come here.
needles.
I'm
Come
over
here.
here.
I got something for you.
Grabbing a shot.
That too.
God damn it.
Oh hey.
Give me something first.
Okay,
Oh,
here. Here. I'm giving you incendiary bullets.
You don't stand a chance. Stick it up your ass.
Thank you, sir. Now let's go back to fucking each other over. You first, Rochelle.
Suck on that. Take that, you mealy mouth bastard.
So, Kneepad, how are you getting over here exactly?
Damn it! Fuck! Shit! I'm ready! I got my frying pan! Fucking bring it!
Coach!
This jockey.
I am coach! I'm that ready.
The jockey wants my penis.
Oh my god! Thank you. Oh, damn it!
Doink! Did you hear that sound? That was the sound of the hero frying pan.
Our closest friend, man.
No, because if it was, I'd only strike once.
Dude. Derek did the worst Artosis pylon ever.
Yup.
Yep, it cost us the game.
Yup.
Good job! I'm so proud of
Mind
you.
I also killed an Artosis pylon that was powering 10 warp gates.
Whoa.
How do you what? That's so many.
Dude, it was in the middle of... It was,
Play
in-
Tetris, you'll learn.
It was in the middle of
Well, I
Don't
imagine
miss
it was
my-
in the middle of them. How the fuck else would you fit 10 in there?
Yeah, and then I just destroyed one of them and destroyed the pylon. And then all my Zerglings died. Why? Because Zealots. Screw Zealots.
Good
With
job.
a rake.
So, this road is closed. I have an idea. Let's jump over.
Yeah.
That's impossible. You might rip your pants on the barbed wire.
Oh, shit. We better go around, you guys. It's the zombie apocalypse and all, but don't want to rip my pants.
There's a grenade launcher
Nope.
up here, Zach.
I have a grenade launcher. Do you trust me?
Some shit up.
No, I don't trust you. That's why I'm grenading you. I don't know why you told me instead of taking it when you had the chance.
More fun.
Oh, I got my evil grin on.
Later, guys.
See ya.
I don't fucking know where I'm going.
Places to do things. Where the
Through the
fuck
house.
are we
Oh,
supposed to
through
be
here.
going?
Never mind. Can't fit. God fucking damn it.
Let's just
Get in the
stand
house.
on this mound.
Let's get in the house. Get in the house. 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 House.
Wong.
Oh god. Sweet Jesus, that was exciting.
Why are you saying my name?
Clever, so clever.
Hi. Oh!
You got an achievement? Did you melee that thing as it was charging you?
Yes.
Boomer. Let's let the fat man play.
Not Boomer. Not Boomer.
Let's let the fat man play on the playground. He just wants to bounce around.
I'm
Be a creeper? No.
And you see? I love this spot. I could stay here all game until a smoker comes.
Yes! Stay there.
What about a jockey?
No, I can't reach.
Just leave him there.
Where are the med kits?
I think we took him all.
Nope, they're here.
Hold up. Healing.
Damn it!
Oh,
I hate when that
hell yeah.
happens. God damn it.